Set high in the mountains, minutes from downtown Asheville, is this custom-built home with resort amenities. A grand two-story foyer featuring a dramatic crystal chandelier welcomes you home. You may never want to leave the master suite, or even your office, with a view like this. A warm kitchen family room features appliances by Gaggenau and Trolson. Custom handcrafted details define this room. Cozy up by the fire in the master suite, which features handcrafted lighting and cabinetry. The lower level has its own guest apartment with kitchenette. A sauna and hot tub accompany the indoor-outdoor pool and entertaining deck. Unique features include an antique elevator converted to a bar. 35 Peach Knob Drive, the pinnacle of Asheville, awaits.